Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, you read right. We will be trying out a new product, okay? This was sent to me by INFLUENSTER for review. Now, y'all know all my hair care comes from my favorite box, but this was sent to me. I'm very interested to, kind of share it with you, let you know how all of this came to be. And if you look at it, the curls are nice and bouncy. The hair is moving, but let's not jump the gun. So the products that were sent to me, the name of it is called ZOTOS Professional. Okay, and it says United We Curl. And so it's all about curls, and they're asking if we're ready to unleash your curl power. All right, now the claims are pretty good on here. It says delivers nourished, defined, and defrizzed curls. Okay, now when I received this, the first thing I wanted to do was check to see if there is anyone on here whose hair resembles mine. I want to see. Okay, so I kind of had something to look forward to, so I thought. So this says all about curls. It asks the question, ready to unleash your curl power for all curl patterns, 2A wavy to 4C coily. Delivers nourished, defined, and defrizzed curls. Color safe. Products never tested on animals. Now, I received the 4-product box, okay? And this is what it looks like. And in this box, there is a lo-lather cleanser, and it says it's essential moisture, hydration, and it is a 15 fluid ounce size, and it says free of sands, sulfates, silicones, and parabens, okay? This is what that product looks like. And then the quenched cream conditioner, and this is the deluxe moisture, and this one is a 15 fluid ounce size as well with the same claims. Then I received the taming cream, and it says for controllable definition. Okay, and this is a 5.1 fluid ounce size. We're going to talk about this more so. Well, this and this. And this product right here, which is the last one in the box, is soft definition gel. Okay, and it's for a crunchless light hold. All right, now when you start getting to the 3s and 4A, B, and C, you're going to need a little bit more than light hold. So we're going to talk about that too. All right, now it says with the shampoo, okay, lo-lather. I'm really used to having some suds, because for me, when the lather is low, it's like you still have too much product built in your hair. But that wasn't the case with this. It was intended to be this way. And the directions say, apply to wet hair, massage cleanser from scalp to ends, and then rinse well. And it says it gently cleanses all curl types. It adds moisture for soft, smooth, defrizzed curls, and it strengthens hair, making it over 2 times more resistant to breakage. Okay, now I'm okay with that so far. Now I want to tell you, this is 2-day hair. All right. Now, I didn't want to immediately do this, although the results were really pretty good. I just didn't want to do, I wanted to see what it was going to look like the next day, how it was going to move and behave and, really see. Okay, so with this, not a bad product. Not a bad product at all so far. Okay, all we can say is so far right now. Then there was the Quenched Cream Conditioner. And according to the pamphlet that came with it, it said this one applied to clean, damp hair, leave in 1 to 3 minutes and rinse well. All right, now, my only challenge is I am a leave-in conditioner kind of girl, okay? Because I want that moisture to just take over, okay? I'm just saying, and I really want it to be nice and soft, but I don't have any complaint right now. I really don't, because it is nice and soft. It is moisturized, okay? I'm putting my hands through it right now, and they're not coming up oily or greasy or anything like that, but it feels like I had a leave-in conditioner. So that I do like, okay? So then the next product, well, the next 2, all right? These right here, the last 2 that I received, the directions say, choose how you want to use it. For curl definition, apply to damp hair and scrunch upward. For lengthening, apply to damp hair while gently pulling curls downward. To boost curls and control frizz, apply sparingly to dry hair as needed. Okay, we'll try that in a second because my hair is definitely dry. Like I said, this is 2-day hair. Okay, and then the definition gel. This one says apply to damp hair and scrunch upward to define curls at air dry or diffuse. Okay, now let me take my rings off. I want to put a little bit more on, okay? It comes out like this. It's very thick. All right. Now, it doesn't really have a smell, It's not like, when you, actually, I know what it is. It's a very clean smell. It doesn't have that perfumey type of smell, just very clean, okay? And putting it in and scrunching it, I only did the bottom parts. I didn't do the top part for a reason, okay? Now, I like the fact that it gave me a tip because, like I said, when you start getting to the 4A to C hair, you're going to need some hold. You don't want to put it in and then a few minutes later or even a few hours later, it doesn't look like it did when you started, when your hopes were up high and expecting it to work out well. So the tip that it gave me is to customize the hold level of your curl preference, layer products. Okay, soften the hold of taming cream. First apply taming cream, then apply soft definition gel over top. To add more hold to soft definition gel, First apply the soft definition gel, then apply taming cream over. But for medium hold, cocktail the taming cream and soft definition gel together. Now that is what I did, okay? And it worked out wonderfully for me, okay? I want you to know that is the way in which I did this, all right? We're going to do the top part with this, all right? So I squeezed a little of the gel. We're just doing a little bit now. I sure used a whole lot more than that in each section, but that, and then I squeezed a little bit per section of the cream, all right? Rubbed it together, and let's go. Okay. Now, I will tell you, the more you layer it, a little more of that clean smell comes out, okay? But I like it. I definitely like it, all right? Now, I didn't want to add any edge control or anything like that to my hair. I just wanted to use these products. So that way, when we talk about it today, it's truly just about these products, okay? So, what do you think? So tell me, what are your thoughts? Huh? Tell me, what do you think of these curls? I mean, it really did, come out nicely. I like it. I like the fact that they move. They're not stiff. It's not crunchy sounding at all. And very, very little frizz. Now, I will tell you, if I were to add anything to this, I would want something that gives it some shine, okay? That is what I would want. I love the way it looks, but I would like it to have some shine to it, okay? That would be the, that would be the finishing touch for me as far as I'm concerned with this particular product, okay? If you have tried ZOTOS before, leave me a message down below. Tell me what you thought, okay? Tell me how you used it, If you have any suggestions, let me know what they are, because I'd be happy to try it again. Y'all know I have lots and lots of hair products, lots of them. But I would be willing, to try it again, to, really come up with something a little more detailed, for you. Now, just so that you know, I sectioned the hair and I twisted it, and I left it in the twists until I thought it was completely dry, but it really wasn't. And I had to go back in, twist it back up, okay? And it was really just back here, okay, that was not completely dry. Now, I do like it. I would love to figure out a way to let, the length really show. But this isn't bad. It's not bad. So, if you have not tried it, let me know down below if you are willing to try it. Based on what you've seen, let me know if you would be willing to try it, okay? So, I don't know if you have questions or something that I may have missed. Let me know. Anybody who has watched Seasoned Beauties, I'm just going to lay it out flat. I'm not one of those that's just going to sugarcoat it or anything like that. That's not me. I'm going to tell you exactly how I feel. If I don't like it, I'm going to tell you that I don't like it. I may tell it to you in a very nice way, but you will still know whether I like it or not. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below. And I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we tried out the ZOTOS Professionals All About Curls. Okay, let me know. Okay, I will be more than happy to share I don't know, just in case I didn't tell you, I do have an influencers page. Okay, so if you are checking this out on Influenster, come on over to Seasoned Beauties. Check out, the honest opinion. I don't know any other way to say it, okay? I am not being paid for this. No, I was sent this through Influencer for my honest opinion and to tell you about my experience, okay? So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.